What's going on, guys? Been out here working on the 400EX. We went in here and pulled the starter out. Just 2 bolts there. Pulled this cover off. Pushed it back out. Got the parts laying there, organized accordingly, which bolts go where. Just wanted to do a demonstration that the starter is not working. Nothing. Even took it apart. You can see I only put one of the bolts back in and I cleaned it. It wasn't no broken chunks or anything on the inside, just no work. So even try grounding it better. Grounding at the tip of it. Nothing. Alright. We're gonna get a new starter, get a key, and we'll be back. Peace. Thanks for watching.